The chromosomes of many stochastic on your blue-tip cells are plainly visible. In some cells, replicate chromosomes are aligned along the center of a cell. These particular cells are in the stage of mitosis: telophase, sporophase, anaphase, metaphase. MCQ number 31. In order for an anaphase to begin, which of following must occur? Gametes must lose their kinetochores. Coenzymes must attach their sister gametes to each other. Coenzymes must be cleaved enzymatically. Kinetochores must attach to the metaphase plate. MCQ number 32. Why do chromosome cells running a mitosis? To increase their potential energy, to allow the chromosomes to move without becoming entangled and breaking, to allow a chromosome to fit with the nuclear envelope, to provide for the structure of its centromere. MCQ number 33. Which of following best describe how chromosomes move toward the poles of spindle during a mitosis? The chromosomes are reared by the contraction of spindle microtubules. Motor proteins of kinetochores move the chromosome along a spindle microtubules. Non-kinetochore spindle fiber push a chromosome in a direction of poles. Option number D, both A and B. MCQ number 34. Which one of following is a function of those spindle microtubules due to not act to kinetochore? Maintaining an appropriate spacing among the moving chromosomes, producing a ATP needed by fibers attached to kinetochores, maintaining a regions of overlap of fibers in a cell centers, pulling the pole of spindles closer to one another. MCQ number 35. Which one of following question might answer such a method? How many cells are produced by culture per hour? What is the length of S phase of cell cycle? What is the S chromosome synthesized? How many picogram of DNA are made per cycle? MCQ number 36. The research term used the setup to study the incorporation of labeled nucleotide into a culture of lymphocytes and found that lymphocyte incorporated the labeled nucleotide at a significantly higher level after the pathogen was introduced into the culture. What did they conclude? Option A. The presence of pathogen made the experiment too contaminated to trust the result. Option B. Their tissues culture method needed to be relearned. Option C. Infection caused lymphocytes to divide more rapidly. Option C. Infection caused all cultures in a generally to reproduce more rapidly. Option C. Infection caused the lymphocyte culture to skip some parts of cell. MCQ number 37. If a mammalian cell receive a go-ahead signal to the G1 checkpoint, they will move directly into telophase, complete the cycle and divide, exit the cycle and switch at non-dividing state, complete a cytokinesis and form a new cell wall. MCQ number 39. Cells that are in non-dividing state are in a phase: G0 phase, G2 phase, G1 phase and S phase. MCQ number 39. Which is a short part of cycle: G0, G1, S, G2, M. MCQ number 14. DNA is replicating at which stage of cycle: G0, G1, S, G2. MCQ number 41. The restriction point occur here: G0 phase, G1 phase, G2 phase, M phase. MCQ number 42. Nerve and muscle cells are in a phase: G0, G1, S, and G2. MCQ number 43. In a figure, mitosis is represented by which number? 1, 2, 3, 4. MCQ number 44. Which number represents the DNA synthesis in a figure above? 1, 2, 3, 4. MCQ number 45. Which number represents the point in a cell cycle during which the chromosomes are replicated in a figure above? 1, 2, 3, 4. MCQ number 46. An enzyme that attaches a phosphate group to another molecule is called phosphate phosphorylase kinase ATPase. MCQ number 47. Which of following are true concerning cells? They do not exist density dependent inhibition when growing in a culture. When they stop dividing, they do so at random points in a cell cycle. They are not subject to a cell cycle control. Option D, B and C only. MCQs number Marpasa 48. The research team establishing the similar lymphocyte culture from a number of human doors, including a healthy teenager.